Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to hide tagged posts on Instagram. So you will just open the Instagram app on the Android device or iOS. So you will just have to go to the right bottom of profile icon settings. So you will have to click to the top right corner of three lines of settings. So here you can see the your activity log. So you will click it. So you can find, you will see there is the tags in your activity. So you will see the tags and you will have to click it to tags. So you can choose any random picture which photo you have tagged randomly. You can choose. So from there you will have to top right of two dots and there is a tag option. So you can remove from the post and you will hide. So I will just hide from my profile. Hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.